Hey there, lovelies. So you woke up this morning, looked in the mirror and thought, I'm about to eat something that's actually good for me. Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you 5 high-protein breakfast ideas that are so easy, your coffee will be jealous of how fast you get these meals together. And hey, if I make you laugh, or one of these recipes actually makes you hungry, and I'm pretty sure they will, hit that subscribe button and join the club of breakfast champions. Let's do this. If you're on the hunt for some high-protein breakfast to kickstart your day, you're in the right place. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting it with a protein boost can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Today, I've got 5 fabulous recipes that are not only delicious, but also packed with protein. These recipes are perfect for anyone looking to fuel their mornings with something nutritious and satisfying. So let's dive in, shall we? Get ready to take notes because these recipes are going to change your breakfast game. First up, we've got the classic Greek yogurt parfait. It's basically dessert for breakfast, but way healthier. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Start with a cup of thick, creamy Greek yogurt. The thicker, the better, as it will give you that rich, indulgent texture. Layer it with fresh berries, a handful of granola, and a drizzle of honey. Boom! You can also add some nuts or seeds for an extra crunch and even more protein. You've got yourself a protein-packed breakfast that tastes like a treat. It's perfect for those mornings when you want something quick yet satisfying. Your taste buds will thank you. Trust me, this parfait is a game changer. Next, let's talk about the mighty avocado toast with a twist. This isn't your average avocado toast. We're taking it up a notch. Grab a slice of whole grain bread and smash half an avocado on top. Now here's the twist, add a poached egg. The combination of creamy avocado and runny yolk is simply divine. The runny yolk mixed with creamy avocado is a match made in breakfast heaven. It's not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and protein. Sprinkle some chili flakes if you're feeling spicy. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for a zesty kick. This one is so Instagram worthy, it might break the internet. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Number 3 on our list is the protein smoothie. Not just any smoothie though. This one is packed with nutrients and will keep you energized throughout the morning. Blend together a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a handful of spinach, a banana, and some almond milk. You can also add some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of fiber. It's like drinking a garden, but in a good way. The spinach adds a dose of greens without overpowering the taste. Plus, it's perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. Just blend, pour and go. Sip, sip, hooray. You'll feel like you're treating yourself while actually nourishing your body. All right, moving on to number 4. Cottage cheese and pineapple bowl. This combo might sound unusual, but it's a hidden gem. Trust me on this one. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, and the pineapple adds a sweet, tangy punch that balances the creaminess perfectly. Just mix a cup of cottage cheese with some pineapple chunks and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also add some shredded coconut for a tropical twist. It's a tropical vacation in a bowl. The cinnamon adds a warm, comforting flavor that ties everything together. And who doesn't want that? It's like having a mini getaway right at your breakfast table. Minus the husband, of course. This bowl is refreshing, filling, and perfect for a sunny morning. Finally, let's not forget about protein pancakes. Because who says you can't have pancakes and be healthy? These pancakes are a great way to enjoy a classic breakfast favorite without the guilt. Mix together a mashed banana, 2 eggs, and a scoop of protein powder. You can also add a pinch of baking powder to make them extra fluffy. Cook them up like regular pancakes and top with some fresh fruit and a dollop of Greek yogurt. You can also drizzle some maple syrup or honey for added sweetness. These babies will keep you full and satisfied till lunch. They're perfect for a weekend brunch or a special breakfast treat. So there you have it, folks. 5 high-protein breakfasts that are easy, delicious, and nutritious. These recipes are sure to become staples in your morning routine. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content for you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio! Have a fantastic day ahead.